Think science is slow? Well, think again. Science doesn't always mean waiting around for hours or days for results. In fact, some of the coolest experiments can be done in just a few seconds, right at home, with things you already have lying around. Get ready to be amazed by how fast and fun science can be. Let's speed things up with some awesome tricks you can try in seconds. First up, levitating paper. This one's a classic, and it's sure to impress your friends and family. Grab a balloon and give it a good rub on your hair to build up some static electricity. Then slowly hold it over a tiny piece of paper, or even some confetti. Watch as the paper magically floats up and sticks to the balloon. It looks like a magic trick, but it's really just science in action. That's static electricity at work. When you rub the balloon, it picks up extra electrons and becomes negatively charged. The paper, being neutral, is attracted to the balloon, and that's why it jumps up. Ready for the next one? Let's make water bend. Turn on a thin, steady stream of water from your kitchen or bathroom faucet. Make sure it's not too strong. Just a gentle flow works best. Now, take a plastic comb and rub it on your shirt or a wool sweater for a few seconds. Then, slowly bring the comb close to the stream of water. Don't let it touch. Watch closely as the water curves toward the comb, almost as if you're controlling it with your mind. You just bent water without even touching it. That's static electricity again, pulling the water toward the charged comb. Science is full of surprises. Ready for a secret message? Let's make instant invisible ink. Dip a cotton swab in lemon juice and use it to write a message or draw a picture on a piece of white paper. It'll look invisible at first, but don't worry. Hold the paper close to a lamp or a light bulb for a few seconds. Careful not to burn yourself. Slowly, your secret words or drawing will appear as if by magic. The heat causes the lemon juice to oxidize and turn brown, revealing your hidden message. How cool is that? Now let's make some rainbow milk. Pour some milk into a shallow plate, then add a few drops of different food coloring around the surface. Next, dip a toothpick in dish soap and gently touch it to the milk. Instantly, the colors will swirl and explode in a burst of rainbow magic. This happens because the soap breaks the surface tension of the milk and causes the colors to move. Chemistry rocks. Last but not least, the jumping pepper trick. This one is super simple but always gets a big reaction. Sprinkle some ground black pepper over the surface of water in a bowl. The pepper will float on top, thanks to the water's surface tension. Now dip your finger in a little dish soap and touch it to the center of the water. Instantly, the pepper scatters to the edges of the bowl. That's because the soap breaks the surface tension, causing the pepper to move away. You just saw surface tension in action, one of the coolest properties of water. It's the same reason water beads up on a leaf or forms droplets on a window. So which trick will you try first? Will you float paper, bend water, reveal a secret message, create rainbow milk, or make pepper jump?